everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica of Miss More Style. Today we're going to be trying out a really exciting new product from Drybar, and I'm going to be showing you how to get beachy, loose waves for perfect hairstyle for the summer. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. I'm so excited to do this video today and share this new product with you. If you are new, hello, my name is Jessica of Miss More Style. I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel on a budget. And today we're doing a little hair tutorial and review. Drybar recently reached out to me to ask if I would like to try this new product of theirs. And of course I was really intrigued because it is their Seashore Spritzer. And the reason why I was so interested in trying this out is because it is a beach spray. Now, when beach sprays first came on the scene in a big way, I feel like I was in high school and I was dreaming of being like a California surfer girl. I never became the surfer part of that equation, but here I am. I do live in California, so I am living part of my dream. I always dreamed about having that like cool, like beachy look that I would get when I would go on vacation to the beach with my family, go swimming in the ocean, and my hair would air dry and it would just be perfect. And I feel like, you know, the expectation for these products has been high, but then the delivery of the intended look has not really been great. I've really had a hard time finding a beach salt spray that I actually love. And the reason for that is because a lot of them leave my hair really crunchy and they don't actually make my hair look like I went to the beach. It just looks like a hot mess and it feels awful. So when Drybar reached out and they told me about their new Seashore Spritzer, I was really interested because this actually is a salt-free wave spray. It uses sugar instead. It says it creates soft tousled waves with a texturized semi-matte finish. Skip the salt and head straight for soft tousled beachy waves you crave. Delivers a semi-matte texture with zero crunch in an easy-to-use spritz-on formula. Sugar enhances natural texture and rinses out instantly, leaving no grit or residue in its wake. I'm already liking the sound of that. Pliable polymer blend delivers full, long-lasting body and locked-in style memory. Pineapple extract and sea kelp enriched with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, promoting healthier-looking hair. So, of course, I wanted to try it out, and we are here to do that today. I'm also very excited because they sent along their 3-day bender curling iron, the 1¼ inch barrel, for me to perfect this look with you all. So I'm going to show you what this product looks like on my hair just dried, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in with this and really up the beach waves look here. This video is not sponsored, but thank you so much, Drybar, for sending me these awesome goodies. I can't wait to try this all out. But of course, before we get started, you know what I gotta say. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn it gray. Also, make sure that if you haven't already, that you ding the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And also, make sure to go ahead and find me on Instagram. If you enjoy watching my content here on YouTube, then I know you will love what I do over there. So let's just get into it. So you can use this on damp or dry hair. That's to spray from roots to ends and scrunch your hair. You can let it air dry, or for more constructed waves, you can go ahead and grab your hair dryer, and if you have one, your diffuser, and blow your hair dry that way. This retails for $26. You can purchase it at drybar.com. I will go ahead and link below if you guys are interested in checking this out. Let's go ahead and get started. My hair is partially dry. It's been air drying. I just brushed it out. I didn't do anything else to it. I grabbed my limited edition Drybar Buttercup. Well, I don't know if this is a buttercup, but this is basically their hair dryer. But this was like for a holiday package that they had a couple years ago where they wrapped it in glitter. So this is the typical Drybar hair dryer. It's just not yellow like how they normally are. I don't know if I used to have a diffuser or if I threw it away, but I couldn't find it. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to do it. But if you have a diffuser, what you wanna do is attach it to your hair dryer and then blow it dry that way and keep scrunching your hair. I'm gonna try to still recreate that with maybe going on like a low setting and then still doing that scrunching motion with the product. But first, let's apply it. From roots to ends. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a tropical vacation. It smells like a pina colada or something, I swear. It's so necessary this summer, seeing as how like we can't really travel to, you know, tropical places. This spray will take you there. I think I've got a good amount of product in. It feels like I have a good amount. It's kind of sticky. I can feel that it's a little bit sticky where it's been sprayed. So you can see it's already starting to take a little effect there. Now I'm gonna blow dry. So like I said, if you don't have a diffuser, just put your hairdryer on a lower setting and blow upwards while you're scrunching your hair. You don't want your hairdryer to be on too high of a setting because you can get a lot more tangles that way. You can also take smaller strands of hair like I've done here, twist them around and blow them dry. That gives another little dimension of texture to your hair, kind of gives it a little more of a twist. And you're just gonna keep doing this until your hair is nice and dry. I personally did this till my hair was about 95% dry, and then I let the rest of it air dry while I made myself some lunch. But you could just let your hair air dry, obviously, and not even do this step. The hair dryer just gives you a little bit more bend and definition. So this is what my hair looks like now that I have finished with the blow drying process. Really the key is to just keep scrunching your hair. Like when you're blow drying your hair, just keep scrunching it. Alternatively, if you're going to let it air dry, occasionally, like, you know, give your hair some scrunches while it's in the process of air drying. I really think that this is like doing what a sea salt spray should do. Keep in mind that my hair is naturally very, very straight. So if you have any more like wavy texture to your hair than I do, you're probably gonna see a lot more waviness, but my hair just naturally is very straight and very heavy. So this is about the extent to what it would do. And I do have to say, like, running my fingers through my hair feels soft. Like, it does feel a little bit texturized, but it doesn't feel crunchy and like disgusting like a lot of sea salt sprays do to my hair. Honestly, like, I have a lot of sea salt sprays in my bathroom that like I've literally touched maybe once or twice and then I don't use them anymore because I just hate the way that they make my hair feel. This one is a winner because I feel like my hair still has some softness to it and it doesn't feel gross. Like, I'm not like regretting the decision that I put it in my hair and like wanting to like jump in the shower and wash it out immediately. So that's great. I could leave it this way and that would be great, but I want to show you guys how you can get like an even more beachy type look. So that's where the 3-day bender is going to come in. So this is Drybar's signature curling iron. If you've ever been to a Drybar salon and gotten a style done by them that is like not like the straight blowout, then you've probably had this used on your hair. This is supposed to make curling your hair a breeze. And the reason why is the barrel rotates rather than stays stationary while you're curling. So you guys will see in a second what I mean, but I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this. When you open it up, here's what it looks like, created for the perfect blowout. Also has the little packet that it comes with, which is your limited warranty. And then it also comes with a little operating instructions and safety guide here. It says peace, love, and blowouts on it, which I think is so cute. And just like the little clamp. And as you can see, this part spins around. This is the power button and this is how to control the temperature. So let's go ahead and turn it on. There you go, it's turning on. Turn it up a bit because my hair is pretty coarse and it can handle some heat. I'm just gonna read this while it heats up. It curls your hair faster. So it has advanced ceramic heating technology and a digital temperature control for quick custom styling. So you can go up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. And it smooths and shines because it has ionic technology, which seals your cuticles for smoother, shinier, frizz-free tresses. It's good to invest in like a nicer heat styling tool because the final product that you'll get with your hair and how a nicer, more high-end product treats your hair is worth it in the end. I think it's about there. It's hot. I think it's ready. With a lot of my hairstyling videos, what I normally always do is you'll see me section my hair all the way up and leave just like the bottom section down and work section by section, letting down a little bit of hair as I go. For this, I'm not going to do that. And the reason why is because I don't want this hairstyle to look perfect and I don't want it to look like it was hairstyled. You see what I'm saying? So what I'm essentially gonna do is I'm just gonna start by picking up just like a little piece of hair and stick it in a clamp and roll it in there. You always wanna leave the end of your hair out when you're doing a beachy wave look. See how that created just a nice little relaxed wave. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep repeating this all over my hair, but I'm just gonna pick out like really random strands and just do them in like varying quick succession. So I'm not gonna hold them for too long because I don't want the curl to be like too defined, if you see what I'm saying. Some of them I'll pull the barrel down and I won't roll it closer to my scalp, and then sometimes you'll see me go closer to my head. And the reason why I'm doing this is because it's creating more variation. So like you don't want all of your hair to be like the exact same curl. You want to give it as much variety as you can, because if you have like beachy wavy hair, there's really not supposed to be any rhyme or reason to the way that your hair looks, right? Because it just naturally happened that way from the sea salt in the ocean. You guys know what I mean. You can kind of tug on them a little bit too when they come out of the iron. See how this one has a lot of hair that I left out? That just really helps to enhance the sort of messy undone look. I'm just gonna keep randomly picking hair. Don't want to be precise about this, as I said. Let it go. And this is a great way to sort of get a cute hairstyle if you're kind of shorter on time. You don't have a whole lot of time to do like something that's more polished looking, I guess is the word that I'm looking for. This is just kind of an easier, quick thing to do. And I like to do more of the hair that is around my face. For whatever reason, the way my hair is, like the hair that's closer to the front of my head tends to dry more straight. And then the hair that's like towards the back of my head tends to dry with a little bit more wave to it. I don't know why that is. Do you guys have that issue? If you do, comment below. But that's just how my hair is. So I have to give the front pieces of my hair a little bit more love in this situation because they just are more naturally prone to be straight. Another thing that you can do to add to the very messy undone look, don't curl all of your hair away from your face. So you'll see in most of this tutorial, I take the clamp, put my hair in it, and then I bend the hair away from my face. And in general, that's the direction I like to do most of my hair because I feel like that just gives you more of that like windswept look. But what you can do once you reach the part of your head that is behind your ears is you can start taking your hair periodically, and instead of curling it away from your face, take the clamp and curl your hair in towards your face. And this is just going to create your hair going in different random directions, which will further enhance the sort of beachy look that we're going for. If you have thick hair like me, make sure that you don't forget the hair in the bottom layers. You want to have that curl going throughout. Sometimes I even like to make the hair that's like in the under layers a little bit more curly than I do the hair that's on top, because I find that if the hair that's underneath has more curl, it helps to create volume for the rest of your head. If you do the hair on top a little bit more casual and loose like this, it still gives you that look that you're looking for. I also find that my hair in the underneath layers of my hair tends to fall, the curl falls out the fastest in those layers. Sometimes in this instance, I like to hold these a little bit longer, make this hair a little bit more defined, because I know that that hair is going to go flat faster, and especially if I want this to last for a day or two, that will help to give the whole style a little bit more longevity. I'm loving the way that this is performing so far. I've never actually used this myself. I've watched plenty of Drybar stylists use this on my hair, but I've never gotten to play with it before, and I'm obsessed. I'm just going to do this one like a tiny bit right here. Put just a little bit of bend in it. And see how this rotates. You can kind of pull your hair through like that. Let's see that one more time. So put your hair in the clamp. You curl it up. Hold it for a couple seconds, and then you can start to pull your hair out and see how the barrel rotates as it pulls your hair out. And that's sort of like the look that doing that will give you. Pretty cool. I think I've talked for enough time. I'm just gonna play some music for y'all, turn my air conditioner back on so that I don't melt in here, and you guys can watch me time-lapse this. Done. I pretty much got the look that I wanted, but like I said, I'm just gonna give the bottom layer a little bit more love just because it tends to not get much action when I'm doing my hair like this, because I'm not doing it layer by layer, and it's the bottom layer, it's covered in a bunch of other hair, so you guys know. I'm just gonna give those bottom layers a bit more bend, and snap. Comment below if you know what that quote is from, which movie. New favorite curling iron. Yes, yes, my friends. I think I have curled my hair to satisfaction. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Here's my finished look with the Seashore Spritzer and the 3-day bender. I really like it. I think the combination of the texturizing spray with using the 3-day bender to get like a little bit more wave going on, a little bit more body, it's just like the perfect combination, and I think it's just like the perfect sort of like messy, beachy, summery hairstyle. It didn't really take me that long. I know if you guys are paying attention to my clock back there, it might have seemed like it, but I did take a little bit of break in between blowing my hair dry and curling to make a smoothie. So there is that full disclosure. So I think this is awesome, and I just am interested to see how it holds up for tomorrow, because we all know second day hair is where it's at. It wasn't very hard to do. It's very no fuss. You don't have to be precise at all. It literally is better if you are kind of messy about it. Love it. Just running my hands through my hair, again, like I said earlier, my hair doesn't feel crunchy. It doesn't have that like awful residue that most beach sprays give. So I'm gonna give this product a big thumbs up. I'm super into it. Like I said, if you guys are interested in checking this out for yourself, you can check the description box where I have it linked. Also, if you want, I've got some other videos down below, including another Drybar video that I did some months ago with their double shot blow dryer, which I also really love. What do you guys think? Do you like this hairstyle? Do you like it better than the last beachy hair tutorial that I did? Some of you guys had some things to say about that one. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all making it to the end of this video. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Join my little family here. I would love to have you, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye!